Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make rice flour. This is a very good substitute to wheat flour. If you're looking for a wheat flour substitute, this is perfect for you. So I'm going to be using this arborio rice. This is what we call tuo rice. You can use long grain rice, white rice, brown rice, or basmati rice. Whatever rice you use doesn't really matter. So you can use any type of rice. First of all, we are going to rinse the rice severally. I'm just going to start by rinsing the rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice for this. Just rinse the rice until the water turns out clean. Okay, so I have rinsed the rice for 4 times and the liquid is clear. Now I'm going to bring the rice into this bowl of water. I'm just going to make sure I soak the rice. Soaking the rice allows the rice to absorb water and it blends well once it's soaked. So I'm going to leave the rice to rest for 2 hours. Okay, so after 1 hour of soaking the rice, I'm going to strain this out. I didn't allow it to reach 2 hours because I noticed this particular type of rice absorbs water easily. Even within 30 minutes, the rice is already soft. Okay, so with the help of a strainer, I'm going to strain out all the water from the rice. I'm just going to leave this to stand for a while. Let's say for 10 minutes for the water to drain out completely. So now the water has drained out completely. I'm going to place a kitchen napkin over a surface. You can place it on a table, then spread the rice over it. You're going to dry the rice in the shade and not in the sun. This is because you want the rice grain to have a little moisture when you touch it with your fingers. So once this is evenly spread out, I'm going to leave this to dry for an hour or just until the water in the rice is dried out completely. Okay, this is the rice. This is just after an hour the rice is dried. Not completely dried though, it's still damp. You just need the rice to have a little faint of moist touch when you press it against your fingers. So this is okay. Right now we are going to blend this. Okay, so let me just bring this together. Okay, if you're working with a large amount of rice, you can take yours to a grinding mill to grind. I'm just going to grind this in batches. This is what I've got after blending this. I'm going to empty this first. Okay, so once I'm done blending, I just brought the rice into a strainer, so I'm going to sieve this into this tray. Okay, these are the bigger granules. You can add them to the blender again and grind the second time so you have a finer particle. Okay, so here is our rice flour with a fine and smooth consistency. Remember, this was not dried completely, so you can put this to dry before storing this. You can use this as a thickener for sauces and soup. It's also a good alternative to wheat flour if you're using it to bake cake and biscuits, and it's gluten-free as well. You can store your rice flour in an airtight container, refrigerate it or freeze it if you're not using it immediately. Okay, so this is how to make rice flour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.